Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the stoplights that are being installed on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now we are out by Grandspen, and here you can see some stoplights that have been installed. They're not commissioned into service yet, but 14 stoplights will be installed, new stoplights will be installed along this roadway. By Harborview, you have some stoplights that are there already. So basically, everywhere where you have a turning lane, you're going to have a stoplight. So there you can see right there the road has 3 lanes, because if you want to access Grandspen from the other direction, you would use a stoplight to cross the road. And there you can see they've installed more stoplights. So if at 14 new spots they will install stoplights, and they're also in the process of installing 400 street lights. 400. So this is definitely a major project for Jamaica. Alright, so we're going to show you where some of the other street lights are going to go now. So they should install the additional 13 by the end of December. Now look at the Jersey barrier where you see the break in the barrier. That's where the street lights are going to go. And they've installed quite a few already, but the plan is to install all of them, all 400, by the end of December also. This road will be commissioned, all 4 lanes into service with the stoplights, street lights, everything basically finished by the end of December. Now on the left you can see a sign that indicates a stoplight is going to go out here, and there you can see the turning lane, and that's the access, the old road, the winding road full of potholes. Not really sure why they have that road there still. It was an awful drive, awful. That road actually prevented a lot of people, turned off a lot of people from going to St. Thomas. You only went on that road if you had to. I want to drive there one. No, you guys must remember that winding road with all the potholes. That's why they decided to build a new route here, so that you no longer have to use that road. This is actually a new alignment that the highway took. I'm not sure why they have it. I guess maybe people live and then off that road. I'm not sure. One of these days we should definitely take an adventure and go down there to see why they still have that road. Alright, so this is Mesgar Gardens now. Mesgar Gardens. And there you can see the spots in the road. That's where they're going to put in the white lines. And you turn left here, but you notice there's no break in the Jersey barrier here. So if you want to access this road, you're going to have to go down to the stoplight, make a U-turn, and come back here. Or there is a road here on the left. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. I doubt very much you did. No, well, there's a street light right there. I was saying maybe they would allow a side road here, but not with these poles out in the road. There's no way. Alright, so I don't see any sign for a stoplight here, but there is a turning lane, so I'm assuming a stoplight is going to go there. They just haven't put in the sign to indicate stoplight yet. So guys, what do you think about 14 stoplights, new stoplights along this road? 14, that's a lot. At first I was wondering why they even had stoplights, because it's a highway, but we were informed by the subscribers that a lot of highways have stoplights on them. It's not unusual. So we'll definitely keep you guys updated as to the installation of these stoplights. So far, I think it's just one. The one that where the video started by Grandspan that has been installed. So they have 13 more to go. Now there you can see the sign. So another one is going to go out here, and you can see there's another turning lane to access this community on the left. Guys, look at that view straight ahead. I had no idea. I knew Portland had the beaches, but I had no idea St. Thomas was so scenic. No idea at all. I'm sure a lot of people didn't know that either. Wow, this road has done wonders for this side of the island. Wonders. Apparently you can make a U-turn here. There is a sign in the road, the arrow indicating U-turn. Very interesting. I think that's the only one I've seen. But it's a 2 lanes over there. If you're going to make a U-turn, you would think the road would be wider. But that's the only one I've seen like that. Alright, out here now you can see the sign again indicating a stoplight, but it hasn't been installed yet. And here you can see the turning lane. Now this turn also takes you to the old road that takes you into Bull Bay by 12 miles Bull Bay, and there are a lot of developments and homes and business places off that road, so we can understand that turn there. But the other one before you get to Mesga Gardens, I really don't know why that road is still open, because it's not going to be repaired. It might be a dirt track by now, but we're going to take a tour and drive on it the next time we come over here. Because remember, this highway is free. You don't have to pay to use it. So I really cannot imagine they would fix that road when you have this highway. But we're going to tour it and see what's going on. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. So one of the 14 new stoplights have been installed. It's not commissioned into service yet, but it's installed, and we'll keep you updated with the installation of the other 13. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.